In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor or supplier in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refine your process, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease, ensuring you're ready to manage your suppliers effectively. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Purchases. Give that a click. It's your gateway to managing all your transactions related to buying goods and services. From there, you'll see the Vendors option. Open that up and you'll be directed to the Vendors page, where you can see your existing vendors or suppliers. Now, let's move on to adding a new vendor. On the Vendors page, look over to the top right corner and you'll notice a button that says Plus New. Clicking this button will open up a brand new screen dedicated to capturing all the vital details about your vendor. This is where we lay the groundwork for an efficient vendor management process. Let's start filling out the vendor's information. First, you'll see fields for contact and company name. Input the vendor's name and the name of their company. This is essential for identifying your vendor easily, especially if you deal with multiple suppliers. Then, you'll move on to contact information. Here, you'll need to add the vendor's email, phone, and mobile number. Ensuring these details are correct will facilitate smooth communication with your vendor. Next, consider the currency section. Here, you'll select the specific currency that your vendor uses. This is particularly important if you're dealing with vendors from different countries, as it will help avoid confusion in financial transactions and facilitate multi-currency invoicing. After that, it's time to add addresses. You'll need to input both the billing and shipping addresses for your vendor. If your vendor operates out of multiple locations, you can add more addresses by navigating through the tabs at the bottom of this section. This way, you always have accurate location data on hand. Finally, under Other Information, you can jot down additional details such as payment terms, contact persons, and any notes that can aid in future dealings. These can be vital for establishing clear expectations and maintaining optimal relations. Once all necessary details are filled in, head down to the bottom of the page and hit the Save button. Upon doing this, your new vendor is created, and you'll now see them listed alongside any other vendors you may already have in your database. This step consolidates your efforts, ensuring everything's stored neatly in Zoho Books, ready for whenever you need it. And there you have it, the straightforward and effective method for adding a vendor or supplier in Zoho Books. With these steps, you can manage your business dealings more efficiently, keeping everything organized and accessible. Thanks for following along, and happy bookkeeping.